This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.
Give it up for the notification squad. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want a chance to be featured, make sure you hit that notification bell and come show your girl some love when I drop a new video. And today's featured comment goes to Queen Quality Bree. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be testing out the Kiss Salon Acrylic Natural press-ons and the Kiss Nail Art Starter Kit. So these are the press-ons and they look really good. It says better than salon acrylic, flexible, flawless fit, never chips, 10 times stronger, salon acrylic natural. And it comes with 28 nails. It says it has a glue-on 7-day wear and you can wear these natural or polished, and it tells you what comes in the kit. So let's go ahead and open these up. I picked these up from Walmart for $5. Get out of there. Alright, so you get nail glue, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick, and of course the press-on nails. Alright, so here's a close-up of the press-on. So the lower half of it that goes on your nail is flexible, but from the halfway point all the way up to the tip, it's like double the strength, so you cannot bend it or anything like that. It's very sturdy, so that is a pretty cool design. And on the tip here, it has the numbers so you know which size to pick out for your fingers. So I'm just gonna sift through these and pick out my sizes. If you guys are interested in the nails on my other hand, these are my ombre dip powder nails that I did with the Kiara Sky dip powder kit. And these are the best damn dip powder nails that I've done. So I will leave a link down below if you guys haven't checked it out yet. Alright, so after picking out my sizes and the press-ons, I'm going to use that manicure stick to push back my cuticles. Trim down my nails with a nail clipper. And file down my nails. And I forgot to mention that the instructions are on the back of the box. So I will be applying some base coat. This is just a regular nail polish base coat. And I'm doing this because I don't plan on keeping these press-on nails on long. As you guys know, I do 2 videos a week, so I gotta keep this content coming. I can't keep these nails on long. So this is strictly optional. You do not have to do this step, but I'm doing it, so yeah. Alright, so after letting my base coat dry, I'm taking the nail glue and opening it up and twisting off this plastic thing here. And then just putting some glue into the well of the nail and then firmly pressing that on my nail, making sure all of the air bubbles are out and holding it in place for 5 seconds. And voila! That was so easy, and you got you a nice sculpted nail. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing for all of my nails. So for my thumb, I had a little air bubble in there, so I'm trying to squeeze some more glue in to see if I can get it out. It didn't work though, but So these are the nails after putting them all on, and now I'm going to use this teeny weeny nail file and I'm going to file them the shape that I like. Okay, listen up. If you're doing your nails at home, these little nail files are cute, but you need you a real nail file, okay? So you can get them from Sally's or you could just buy them from the drugstore, but get you a real nail file. It'll just make everything so simple. So if you guys are interested in this one that I have, I will leave the link down below. But I am going to go ahead and shape my nails up. I like my sides to be straight, and these were rather rounded, so I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten and crispen everything out to my liking. All right, that shape is so much better. And these things are strong. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get these off as easy as I thought with the base coat. But as you can see, they're not perfect. They do not fit completely from side to side, but what do you expect? I mean, these were only $5. And as you can see that they are pretty thick, so I am pleased. So next is the nail art. This is the Kiss Salon Secrets Nail Art Starter Kit. This kit was $10 at Walmart, and it says, create nail designs just like the professionals. Alright, so when you open the package, this is how everything's packed up. And you get this DIY design guide, which is so awesome. This is like my favorite thing in the set. When you open it up, it gives you step-by-step, follow-along picture tutorials and instructions on how to do these nail designs that are on the front of the package. So that is just so cool. Alright, so what you get in this kit are these shattered glass nail art stickers and striping tape, some more flower nail art stickers, 3D nail art stickers, some nail art tools. You get this fan brush, a dotting tool, and a flat nail art brush, glitter, and a full-size manicure stick. Let me show you the manicure stick that came with the press-ons. It is like super tiny. I can barely pick it up. Come on, Kiss, you gotta do better. Full-size manicure sticks. Get this shit out of here. You get some nail stencils, some rhinestones and nail charms, and your nail art sealer, which is basically top coat. So I'm going to start off with these nail stencils because I want to try them out and they look really cool. I have my makeup sponge and I do not know where my makeup sponge wedges are, so I'm just going to cut this in half because I want to do some ombre nails. So these are the colors that I'm going to use today. These are from Kiara Sky Electro Pop Collection. And we have colors Gimme a Beat, Bubble Yum, and Main Squeeze. I love these names. So I'm just going to start off with a coat of Main Squeeze and apply that to my ring fingernail. And of course, cleaning around the cuticles with some acetone nail polish remover. And then I'm going to apply a coat of the Gimme a Beat nail polish to my middle finger. These are regular nail polish. These are not gel polish, so there is no nail lamp needed. I just have to wait for those to dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna go in with the nail art stencil and place that on my pinky nail. Although this does have a sticky bag, it did not really stick too well to my nail. So taking the makeup sponge, I'm going to apply the 3 colors. And then press that on my nail. The first coat was pretty light, so I'm gonna go in with a second coat. And it's still pretty light. All right, coat 3. All right, let's see what this looks like. Let's see. Oh my God, this looks like shit. All right, yeah, this is coming off. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this white nail polish, and this is regular polish, not gel. And I'm going to apply a coat of this. I'm thinking perhaps I need a background color for the colors to stand out. And I'm gonna apply the white base to my index finger as well because I'm trying to see something. So I'm gonna allow the white polish to dry, and I'm gonna go in with this 3D nail art sticker that looks like a seashell. So I'm gonna apply that to my ring fingernail, trying to get this as smooth as possible, but the corners kept lifting up. So with these 3D stickers, you are to paint over them and it gives the illusion that you have 3D art. So I'm just applying a coat of polish over it, and I really don't like how it looks because, like I said, the corners kept raising up. But anyway, I'm going to move on to my middle fingernail and apply another coat of that teal nail polish. And while the polish is still wet, I'm going to press the glitter into the wet nail polish. And this look cute. This glitter is really pretty, and this was probably the most easiest and prettiest step of all the nail art. So I'm gonna allow that to dry and move back to my ring fingernail. I'm going in with my OPI top coat. I like this one because it's really thick and shiny, and I'm hoping that it will kind of camouflage the thicker corners that's raising up. And while that top coat is still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and push in the nail charms and the rhinestones. And I think that looks cute. Alright, so I'm moving on to my index fingernail. I'm gonna attempt to do the ombre again with the stencil. Okay, this is just not working out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush on the nail polish and see how that does. All right, let's see. Still looks like shit. This is coming off. All right, so I am done with these stencils. I'm just going to apply 2 coats of this bubble yum polish and call it a day. Moving on to my pinky fingernail, I want to try the stencils one more time. I know I must be a glutton for punishment, but I want to see if I could get this to work. So I switched over to the chevron design, and we're just going to go ahead and paint these on, and hopefully this will look good. And the moment of truth. Okay, I can work with this. It's not too bad. So taking the nail art brush, I decided to go ahead and clean up the chevrons and also kind of fill in where the space is, because I just think it looks better filled in. And then I'm gonna also touch up with a yellow as well. So I am going to try out the nail art sealer, which is pretty much top coat. And then I'm going to apply some more bling and charms. So going in with that nail sealer, I already see that I don't like this. For one, it smeared the polish and it's super thin and it's running all over my cuticles. But before it dry, I am going to go ahead and press in these nail charms. So I went ahead and applied it to my middle finger as well, but I still don't like it. It's so thin and it's just not shiny enough. So I allowed that to dry, and I'm gonna go back in with my OPI top coat. And this is a regular top coat, it's not gel top coat. So I'm just showing a close-up here of how the polish is streaking. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I've already done this nail 3 times. I'm not doing it again, so oh well. Alright, so I'm going to apply some more bling and charms to my index fingernail. And I'm just going to top coat my thumb. Alright, so I'm going to let these nails dry. As I stated before, these are regular nail polishes, so they just need to air dry. No nail lamp is needed. Once my nails are completely dry, I'm gonna go in with the cuticle oil because your girl hands are dry, okay? And this is the finished look. You know, I was not expecting these to turn out as good as they did. I mean, there are some flaws, but you cannot beat this price. The press-on nails were $5 and the nail art kit was $10. So for $15, you got some salon looking nails, I guess. But they're colorful, they don't look that bad, and I like them. Let me know what you guys think.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.